Alright guys, so a lot of you guys have been requesting for another eBay Hypebeast mystery box video. You know, I'm pretty hesitant on buying another one, but for you guys, I thought I'd give it one more shot, alright? We found the seller, over 200 positive feedback. They're saying you won't be disappointed. No refunds though. I say we get this box though, hopefully we get something good.
3 days later.
Woo! Alright guys, this just came in the mail. You guys already know what time it is. A crazy eBay mystery box, our most expensive one yet, alright? We gotta give this thing one more try. Let's do it. These aren't mine, by the way. Stop playing. Alright guys, so the last time we ended up doing this whole eBay mystery box thing, we were buying from sellers with 2 positive feedback. One even had 0 positive feedback, so we were definitely taking a huge risk with those. If you guys have not seen that video, check it out down below. But when the boxes came in, first impression wise, I didn't even think they were that bad. But apparently in the comments below, you guys were saying those were the worst boxes you guys had ever seen, alright? So I couldn't let my last memory of a Hypebeast mystery box end off on a low note. So with that being said, we had to redeem ourselves. We purchased a $5,000 eBay mystery box. The seller has over 200 positive feedback. Most of the items will be for sale, so keep that in mind. Let's get these boxes open though, and hopefully we get some good stuff. Whew, alright, so we got the box. Oh man, these are heavy. Heavier than the designer box from the last video. Okay, so they sent over 2 boxes right off the bat. The packaging is 1,000 times better. I don't know if you guys remember the last video, but the packaging was terrible. These are definitely way more on point. All right, so let's open this smaller box first. I'm excited. Got a letter. Hello, thanks again for your purchase. Enjoy this 5K mystery box. Hope to do this again, Chris. All right, hopefully we can do it again. It all depends on the products, all right? In the last video, we ended up selling about half the items. We did get some random stuff, but we did make some money off of that. So hopefully we get something good on this one. All right, what do we got? What do we got? You know how I always do. I show you guys first. Winner, winner, chicken dinner or what? Oh, so we got a Stone Island piece right here. No idea which one this is. So this is the Supreme collaboration tee that they did, size medium. This is fire, off to a good start. But like I said, guys, $5,000. We got to make up our money with this one. So we just looked this up on StockX. The lowest ask right now is $193. Not off to a bad start. All right, so next up, we got a Nike SB box. All right, size 9. Nike receipt in the box as well. So it must be a newer release. What are we looking at? I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh! I'm not gonna lie. I have never seen these in person. I never thought I would even ever own a pair of these. I have no idea kind of what these even are. Jordan 1 Low SBs. These are hideous. I'm not gonna lie. You know, usually I try to hype it up for you guys, but these are hideous. They look like some Flintstone sneakers. How much are these, Gabe? $150. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie. I'm having little negative flashbacks right now. All right. A coffee maker. What? So $150 for the Jordan 1 SB lows. Oh man. I was hoping they were gonna like surprise me and be like worth 1,000 or something. All right, guys. So we're at $343. We got the huge box right here. Got a lot of money to make up. I like the nice eBay tape though. It's a nice touch. Appreciate it. As always, gotta show you guys first. Looking promising. You guys gotta let me know. Looking promising. Okay. I'll do it like last time where I just stick my hand in and see what type of magic happens, you know? That sounded a little freaky, but... Alright, so we got the Supreme Band-Aids. Little random. How much are these worth, Gabe?
One box of 20 is 20 bucks.
Alright, so we got $80 right there. Okay. Alright, so we got a Supreme shower cap. That is super random. I say just add 10 bucks for this one. What else we got? Alright. Woo! Okay, we got a chrome Nike box for some dunks right here. Oh, okay. Let's see what we're working with. Alright. Whew. Okay, so we got the off-white dunks right here. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I said these were garbage, and they're still garbage. You know, just because I got them in a Hypebeast mystery box, you know, I can't flip-flop on you guys. I'm gonna have to go and say these will definitely be up for sale for deals. Leather is pretty buttery, I'm not gonna lie. The other colorway I would consider the white and green pair, but I'm not really feeling this Michigan colorway. But yeah, these will be for sale, $450. All right, not bad though, not bad. $883. Okay. Got a long ways to go. What is it? Okay. Oh, it's kind of like their when they had that like dirt bike motocross collaboration with Fox Supreme. We got a crew neck right here. Nice like forest green color. Not bad, not bad. 180. 180? Okay. This will be for sale. What do we got? Oh! We got another silver off-white Nike box. Let's see. I was just a couple minutes ago, I was saying I would consider the white and green pair. Then the red and gray pair came out. All right, guys. These will definitely be for sale, but as far as value-wise, the box is not looking too bad. There's a lot of items still in the box. I think these are about like 500 maybe, so just add that to the total. These are a size 8, by the way, if you guys are interested. All right, what else we got? Oh, okay, so now we're talking, man. $5,000 mystery box. Obviously, you're gonna get some fire. Please be the highs. We're getting all the right sneakers, but not the right sneakers, if you guys know what I mean. So we got a pair of Travis Scott 1 lows right here. We just did a video about how garbage these are. I wish these were the highs, man. I'm not gonna lie, but it's all good. Value-wise, though, we're looking decent, though. So total-wise, we're about at $2,500. These will definitely be for sale. I know a lot of people wonder why I don't like these, man, but I just can't get down with them. All right. It's all right. Okay, so it's kind of like a off-white Virgil. I don't even know what this is. It says Virgil Abloh on it, but it's a Champion t-shirt. Okay. I want to say this is the t-shirt they were giving out at the MCA event in Chicago. I say just put it up as 30 bucks. All right, what else we got? Oh! All right. Another silver off-white box. Size 8.5. Please be the white and green pair. I will keep those. We did it. Third time is a charm. We got the white and green pair right here. Woo! Okay, out of all the 3 colorways, this is my favorite color. The one that was like, okay, if it's one color I would get, it would be these ones right here. How much are these, Gabe? $500. All right, so we're at $3,093. We got a couple thousand left to make our money back, but so far though, the items look a lot more promising than the other box did. If you guys can right now, hit that thumbs up on the video if you guys can. Okay, so we got a Supreme denim jacket right here. Oh, this is the one with the crazy graphic on the back, I think. Yep. You guys gotta take a look at this. That is insane. Wash is all right. Size medium. All right, so we just looked up the value of this jacket. 390 bucks for the New York Supreme trucker jacket. Whew, okay, so we got 2 more boxes right here and this little thing, travel North Face. Okay, looks like a little travel case. Not bad. Chalk this one up to 20 bucks. All right, so we got 2 more boxes. We do have some money to be made up right here. So what do we got? What are these? Oh, these are the, okay. The collab. Fire. So I actually had a pair that I unboxed a few months ago of these. I ended up selling them to a friend. They were a little bit too big. But these right here, definitely gonna keep these. I think they're worth like $520 or something, $500. But these are fire right here, man. When you scratch them up, the bottom part becomes real cool and everything. So, yeah, definitely will be keeping these. So what are we at total-wise? 4,000? 4,000? All right, please be 1,000 so we can get our money back. But so far, I feel like we could sell all of these items, so I'm not that worried. Okay. we got a very promising looking box, my friends. Let me put this big box down. If you guys know your sneakers, you guys know what these are. We got a pair of Unions. I'm not sure if they're the blue ones or the black ones. Whew. All right, let's get these open.
What is it? Are we redeemed?
We're redeemed! I've actually been looking for a pair of these. I've been rocking the blue ones like... Say no more, my friend. Say no more. A dead stock pair of black Union ones right here. Woo! My size and everything. This box could not have ended off any better. The Union ones right here. Dead stock too. Comes with everything. Oh my god. Chris, if all your other boxes are like this, definitely I'm going to be purchasing more of these. Glad I got these in hand right here. All right, guys. Alright guys, you guys gotta let me know if you guys want more eBay mystery box videos. Let me know what you guys think of this box. Do you guys think it was worth it? I pretty much chalked it up to about $5,500, maybe $6,000. So we definitely got our money's worth. Shout out to Chris, the eBay seller on this box right here. This was a lot better than, you know, coffee makers and whatnot. So I'm not complaining. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Thank you guys for sharing this video. Stay safe out there. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.